Hola clase, la presentación de gramática para hoy es ir plus a plus infinitive. Ir plus a plus infinitive, saying things that we are going to do. We already know the verb ir and that it means to go. And we learned how to conjugate it. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. And we know the word and the infinitive of ir is ir. That's the infinitive form of to go. The non-conjugated form, saying to do an action. The word a means to, and again, an infinitive saying that someone is going to do an action. You're not specifying who is doing the action by conjugating the verb. And the reason you don't conjugate the verb of what the person is going to do is because you're going to conjugate the verb ir to say who is going to do it. And you will not need to conjugate both verbs. We'll explain more about that in just a minute. Just as you use the word going plus an infinitive in English to say what you are going to do. In Spanish, you use a form of the verb ir plus a plus an infinitive to express the same thing. Voy a jugar al tenis hoy. I am going to play tennis today. Notice that we took the verb ir and we conjugated it to the yo form to say voy. So it's I am going to jugar al tenis hoy. You don't need to conjugate jugar because you already conjugated the verb ir saying who is going to do the action. And then you say to do the action. Who is going to do it? And then to do the action. Voy a jugar al tenis hoy. You would never say voy a juego al tenis hoy. Because if you conjugated jugar to the yo form, you would be saying I am going to go play tennis today. And you would never say that in Spanish or English. You leave it in the infinitive there because you have, as I've said, already conjugated it here. Tú vas a jugar al golf esta tarde. Now we've conjugated the verb ir into the to form vas. Tú vas a jugar al golf esta tarde. Are you going to play golf this afternoon? You only had to conjugate the verb ir into the to form saying that you are going to do it. Tú vas, it was a question asking someone, are they going to do it? Are you going to? Tú vas a jugar al golf esta tarde. Are you going to play golf this afternoon? You would not conjugate jugar, you'd leave it in the infinitive. Mis amigos van a ir de camping mañana. My friends, they are going to go. You conjugate the verb ir to the they form. They are going to go. Van a ir de camping mañana. They are going to go. Ir is left in the infinitive form. They are going to go to camping tomorrow. Because if you conjugated ir to the they form also, it would be saying, my friends, they are going to, they go camping tomorrow. You will not conjugate two verbs in this sentence. You'll only conjugate the verb ir. Leave the action in the infinitive. Mis amigos van a ir de camping mañana. My friends are going to go camping tomorrow. Javier says here, van a jugar conmigo o no? Are you all going to play with me or not? And Ana says, sí, vamos a jugar contigo. Yes, we are going to play with you. This again is ir plus on plus infinitive. It's found on page 206. This is chapter 4b. And there is also a Gramática video that I would like for you to watch. Thank you.